Tired of your Word documents looking like a wall of text? Let's break free from boring layouts and transform a single page into a design masterpiece. Today, I'll show you how to split a page in Word, opening up a world of creative possibilities for newsletters, brochures, and perfectly organized reports. First up, columns. Head to the Layout tab on the ribbon. This is your Layout Control Center. Click on Columns. You'll see preset options like 2 or 3 columns. Select the number of columns you want. See how your text automatically flows into the columns. You can adjust the width and spacing of these columns. For more control, click More Columns at the bottom of the drop-down. This opens a dialog box with detailed settings. Here, you can precisely adjust the width of each column and the spacing between them. Experiment to find what looks best. Now, let's talk about breaks. Find the breaks option, also under the Layout tab. Choose Column Break. This forces the text to jump to the next column, giving you precise control over where content starts. Insert a column break wherever you want to start a new section in the next column. You can also use other breaks, such as next page or continuous, to further customize page separation. And that's it. With columns and breaks, you can master page layout in Word. Now go create stunning documents with perfectly organized content and share your creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Word tips and tricks. #Word formatting, #page layout.